Hello children, welcome back once again. Now we are into the next scenario. See, in the third scenario we have seen this wherein the tomcat he did some mischievous, he nipped Jim Rat, then Dad tapped him, right? Dad tapped him tomcat, he saw Kim is glad then. Then what happened? Tom at cat is adder sad. That's normal, because if someone tells us we are doing wrong, what we say? No, we are not doing wrong. Why you scold us? Why you scolded us, right? So the same way here the cat too is sad. Why? Dad scold me. Tomcat is sad. See, tomcat is sad. The adder dad let's him means who? The cat, the tomcat. On his apple lap. That means, see, tomcat is sad now. Tomcat is sad. Dad lets him on his lap. Dad lets him on his lap. Then what happened? See, Tom at cat is on the dad's apple lap. Now what happened? Now as dad let him to sit on dad's lap, tomcat is now on whose lap? Dad's lap. So tomcat is on dad's lap. Then what happened? Jim at rat is on Kim's apple lap. Jim Rat is on Kim's lap. Jim Rat is on whose lap? Kim's lap. And tomcat is on dad's lap. So, you see here once again, tomcat, after dad scolded him, tomcat is sad now. So, what happened? Dad lets him. See, dad lets him on his lap. Dad lets him on his lap. Now, tomcat, as soon as dad gave permission to sit on dad's lap, he came to sit. So, tomcat is on dad's lap. See, right? Now, Jim Rat is on Kim's lap. Jim Rat is on Kim's lap. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and giving your precious time. Please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Remaining part we'll see in our next video.